Let's see the structure of the heart. Human heart has four parts: the left atrium and the right atrium at the top, and the left ventricle and the right ventricle at the bottom. There are four one-way valves in the heart: tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonic valve, and aortic valve. Let's understand how our heart works. The function starts when oxygen-rich blood is carried from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart by means of pulmonary veins. The left atrium relaxes and this blood is pumped into the heart. When the left atrium contracts, the left ventricle relaxes. Simultaneously, the left atrium drives the blood into left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, the blood is pumped into the aorta that carries oxygenated blood to different parts of our body, excluding the lungs. Oxygenated blood travels the different parts of our body through the arteries, which gets drenched into the branching blood vessels called the capillaries. It then reaches to the different organs. The blood end becomes deoxygenated. The blood capillaries gets mixed and form thicker blood vessels called the veins that carry oxygen-depleted blood towards the heart. These blood vessels are called vena cava. The deoxygenated blood from different parts of body enters the right atrium. It gets contracted, allowing the blood to flow into the right ventricle, which contracts with the dilation of the right atrium through the valve. The right ventricle then contracts and pushes the blood into the pulmonary artery, which carries blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. Our lungs oxygenate the blood and flows back into the heart through the pulmonary vein and starts this cycle again. A heart attack